Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. Today we will discuss about computer networks and its types. So first of all we will see about what is computer network. Computer network is a group of computers that are connected to each other to sharing a resources. Suppose if we see the example, here we have the 4 PCs that are not connected to each other. So now they are not sharing any resource or any data with each other. But when we are giving the connections, so they will pass the data, they will share the resources. So for connecting purpose we are using the Ethernet cable. So in that we have the coaxial cable, fiber optics cable. Same way we have the wireless connections. So in wireless connections we have the Wi-Fi. First computer network is ARPANET. It stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. That is our first computer network, and this question will be asked for the MCQ most of the time. Now we will see the advantages of the computer network. First one is security. So in security we will use the decryption technique for sending and receiving the data. So encrypted data means what? Source will provide some type of the password, and when that data will be sent to the receiver, so receiver will decrypt that data, means they will put that password and they will get the data. Suppose if we take the example our bank statement. So whenever bank will send the statements, so for that statements we have the particular type of the password, like our birth date, birth month and our name, 4 first letter. So that data they will send to us, and when we will put that password, then we will see the complete statement. So that type of the security will be provided. Then second one is scalability. So in scalability, if we want to add any new connection in computer, so we can easily add it. If we want to remove, then we can easily remove it. That facility will be provided by the computer network. Third one is resource sharing. So in resource sharing, suppose we want to connect the device to the printer or else for the scanner, or we want to connect the different computers together, so we can do that by using this computer network. Fourth one is file sharing. So in file sharing we can send the data, we can send the audio, we can send the video, different type of the files that we want to share, we can share by using the computer network. So this is all about what is computer, then what is the first computer network, and then what are the advantages. Now we will see about the computer network types. First one is PAN, second one is LAN, third one is MAN, and fourth one is WAN. So according to their geographical area, that networks are decided. So PAN is called for personal area network, LAN is known as local area network, MAN is known as metropolitan area network, and WAN is known as wide area network. First we will see about the PAN. So basically PAN stands for the personal area network. So if we see the example related to that our mobile hotspot, so it is limited to us, and when we are sharing that hotspot, then another person will get the access to use that. So in this, if we see, there are one PC we have, that PCs are connected to the CPU, again that PCs is connected to the printer, that PC are connected to the scanner. So there are different devices are connected to this one PC, so they will form one network. So that network is known as the PAN. So in PAN we have the two types. First one is wireless, and second one is wired area network. So in wireless network, if we take the example, Wi-Fi is there. So Wi-Fi is our wireless network that we all know ki Wi-Fi, how we will connect the Wi-Fi to the device and then we can access the internet. And in wired area network we have the wired connection, like coaxial cable is there, then fiber optic cable is there. That different type of the cables we are used to connect the devices. Second one we have the LAN. So LAN is what? It is a local area network, just like their name, it is used locally. If we take the example for this our college building, so in college building we have the different computer labs, that labs are connected through the LAN. So LAN is limited to the particular area, it will cover the particular area, they did not have the too much distance cover for sharing or receiving the resources. Then we have the, suppose if we take the example for the LAN, there is one LAN, and on that LAN there are different PCs are connected. So this is the one of the example of the LAN, and for this we have to remember our college building or different small offices that are connected to each other by using the LAN. Then second one we will see about the MAN. MAN is stands for Metropolitan Area Network, and it will cover the large area, like large geographical area, like one particular type of the cities or one city to the another city if you want to connect. So we will use the MAN. So MAN is a collection of the LAN. So how it will be defined? Suppose here we have one system, one network. So here that PCs are connected to each other, and again here we have the MAN. Again here we have one another network. So these PCs are connected to each other. Suppose this is a school building. Suppose this is a college. So that different LAN areas are connected to each other by using the MAN. So MAN is a use in large geographical area. Then last one is our WAN. So WAN is what? It is a wide area network, and it is widely used in overall world, like World Wide Web what we are using. So that type of the network is used by the WAN. So WAN is a collection of LAN as well as the MAN. So for more area we are using the WAN. So these are the computer network types: PAN, LAN, WAN and MAN.